any good. It won't change things any. Oh, fine. Now I got the hiccup.
Try holding your breath. That'll
No,
stop them.
that never does any good. I always get the hiccups when I cry. Ever since I was a little girl.
But hold your breath for 20 seconds. That'll stop her.
Never does any good.
Oh, yes, it will. Come on, I'll prove it to you. Now, let's try.
All right.
Now, when I say go, you take a deep, long breath.
All right.
Go. Not yet.